Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Mini Diaries. I'm down the yard on a Friday night with Rick and we're working on Danny B's SPI. Rick's fitting or redone the head gasket. We've got to refit the head and all of the ancillaries, so I thought I'd bring the camera down here with me to see what us mini heads get up to on a Friday night. Instead of going out drinking and partying, we're down here playing minis. So I will get some sexy shots of us doing that. It's the Friday before Bingley Hall, so I'll add that to the back of this video hopefully, so please stay tuned for that. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of great mini content coming up, but for now let's see how me and Rick get on and what we get up to. More me videoing Rick doing all of the hard work. Freezing cold outside and Rick's taking all of his clothes off.
Because I'm working.
So it's
Dobby,
down
on
my
the other
turn.
hand, he's got 400 t-shirts on, a coat, a jumper, a hat and some overalls. And he's still fucking cold.
So it's my turn now to take some gasket off.
Yeah, do the hard work.
Yeah, all the easy bits.
Come on. Right, so this is your standard heater cut-off thing.
Wow.
They're crap. So what you want to do with this, you want to replace it with one of these, right, which does away with the cable, something to spike your hand on, and you go, job done. Right, cool.
Let's fit it. And that means that the water will flow always through that heater matrix though, won't it?
Yeah. Well, you need hot water during the winter, obviously, to keep your toes warm, and then you want hot water running through your heater to keep the engine warm, cool.
Yeah, that'll work. Yeah. Nice little,
Look at that.
easy fitting. Cleans it all up. What else is left, Rick?
Loads.
I'm going to get the spark plugs out next and give them a clean.
If it's not bolted on the engine, it's got to go on.
All the stuff on Rick's workbench. It's all got to go on yet. There's a lot of pipes on that inlet manifold.
Yeah, there's a load of crap on that, dude.
That doesn't look like much fun.
Oh, it's crap.
Look at it. Where's the flow? Up, down, left, right.
Fucked it like that. Where the pipes fit. I think that one goes under there like that. I think. Oh.
We'll find out when we get there.
Yeah, it looks like it fits there. Lucky enough, I took a photo.
Always take photos.
Always take photos.
Right, let's get some more bits on.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
there you have it, guys. Pretty much most of the engine back together now. Head's back on, exhaust is back on. The tricky inlet with all of them pipes is back on too. That wasn't frustrating at all, Dan. The cooling system, most of that is connected as well. I think Rick's sort of had enough now, and I'm not really doing a lot, I'm just helping, passing things, more putting the camera in his face. So coming up next is my adventure off to Bingley Hall. There's going to be plenty of banging classic minis there to have a look at. I'm hoping to get up there and meet a few of the mini heads as well, go and see some of the more northern lot, but it's more about what minis are going to be there and what one's going to be taking some trophies home. I know Rick's really interested in that too.
Fucking northern monkeys.
So that's it from us, guys. Stay tuned and we'll see you at Bingley. So guys, that's not the parts hall at Bingley, that's all the spares that Rick has got. I'm back down the yard today. There wasn't any work, so I've got to get down here before Bingley starts, which is tomorrow. It means I'm down the yard playing minis again. There's another one in the doorway that Rick's working on with Mark. We'll go and have a look at that in a minute. I've also got some work to finish off on Danny B's one, the Shine Guru, over on Instagram. Go and have a look at him over on there. Let's see what we get up to today playing minis in Miniland. Let's go. So why are you taking it out, Mark?
Because it's oiling everywhere, like there's an oil.
Few oil leaks.
Oil leaks. And I just think just something to do really, and make sure you know put all the
Play minis and make sure it's working alright.
Yeah.
For a little bit longer.
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Oh no, it's cool.
No, the thrust bearing is also squeaking and all. Do all that all at the same time. Don't look sick in there, dude.
Make it look pretty.
Maybe it look better than the actual outside of the car.
Nothing wrong with that.
It looks alright though, doesn't it? It ain't
No.
a bad shell, is it really?
And it's so much easier with a carb model, isn't it? Any engine with a carb mod. All that injection system on a new one.
You got that ECU and everything, ain't you?
Well, we've currently got Rick looking in the Haynes manual, trying to work out where all the pipes go.
No, that's what Dan's one, not his.
Yeah, that's what I mean. On an injection model, we've got you looking in the Haynes manual. What do you do when you don't know what to do? Look in the Haynes manual. It's easy.
It certainly is.
Where does this pipe go?
Fuck off.
So here's Danny's car. We've got to do the tappets, fill it up with some oil and water, start it up and re-torque the head down. Danny's come down, he's finished working this morning. Here he is, the main man. His car's normally a lot cleaner than what it is at the moment, but whilst it's being worked on, it's not too much of a problem. Let's try and get it running. We managed to figure out where all of the little vacuum pipes went. It's quite handy, a nice little phone call to one of the club members. Reckon it'll turn over, Dan, it'll start? on the button, mate? It should do. Fingers crossed. It's an SPI or MPI, new one, so playing with them a lot at the moment, which isn't much fun. It's a lot more fun playing with a carb, but let's see how we get on. Everything's off now and ready to come out though.
There you go. Was that WD-40 I put in there earlier?
All the engine mounts undone.
All the engine mounts are undone.
Radiator bottom bolt still won't come off.
Radiator bottom bolt
Yeah,
still
we
won't.
just take that out with it and do it while it's out.
What about the speedo
Do that when it comes up.
when it comes up?
Where is the speedo? Down the back here.
Yeah, it goes right down underneath where the gear, where the radiator mounts.
You look like
Whereabouts
this
you
here.
done?
Yeah, I know, right? I lifted fucking straight up, bleeding and everything.
It was bleeding.
I know.
Working on these fucking things.
This is Dino. Dino's turned up today as well. Another mini head just randomly turns up down the yard, comes and plays minis. Why not? Time to get this out now. Engine's all out now. I think they're going to start stripping the engine down soon enough. Probably not today. Get the car back on its wheels first, as Rick just points out, and then maybe we can get Dan's going. He's only got to put some oil and water in it, and it's still not running.
Oh, is it in gear? Hold on, it's in gear. Oh, that doesn't matter, does it?
Right, straighten her up a bit.
It's in gear. Dino getting dirty. So that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching, guys. Thanks to all of these guys for being heroes behind me and being on camera today. Gearbox is almost ready to come off. Mark has his engine out. It's all in bits. He's got 1,000 bags down there that he don't quite know what's in each one. But still, it's a cracking way, it's a good effort, and it's a cracking way to make sure that it all goes back together properly. Bingley Hall tomorrow, that's coming in the next episode. I've got a nice early start with Polly, and we're heading up north to go and see what this show's all about. A lot of people go. Us southerners tend to stay away from it and wait for the sun to come out a little bit before we start playing shows and minis. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for the notifications of new videos coming up, and stay safe and be lucky.